In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bass in BandLab. So there's actually a few ways you could approach this, and I'm going to show you some of them. Now, the first one and the most common one is to actually go ahead and add the track, and then click on bass down here, and you could go ahead and click on this little bass icon, which is going to allow you to basically select your input, and then here you could also use the tuner, and then tune your bass, as well as your volume over here on the right. So that's the first way via which you could do this. Of course, there's other ways as well. So one of them is you could, let me just delete this really quickly. You could add a track here, put on virtual instruments, and then in here you can then select instrument, and then for that you can select bass. So just type in bass over here, and it's going to show you a bunch of different basses you can use. So here you have different basses. There's a bunch of different ones you can use. You have the electric basses up here, you have the synth basses. There's a bunch of different ones. You can just use the one you want. So if I go to bass lead, for example, yeah, as you can hear, that's pretty much how this is going to sound like. You could go to electric basses, see how they sound. There we go, and you can just click on it. It's going to pop onto your keyboard here. And yeah, you can then go ahead and cook some music up or some audio with that, okay? So that's the second way, and then the third one is you could go to the SoundLab sounds here, or the BandLab sounds, pardon me, down here at the bottom right, and in here you could go ahead and just type in bass, press enter, and there's a bunch of different basses popping up, and you can just select one that you like, you can play it, you can click on the package, and then here you can just play different basses. There we go, and then if you like them, you could just go ahead and drag and drop them here onto your basically your track. Okay, so those are kind of the ways to add bass. And if you wanted to actually add bass to your audio, you could also do that. So we could just select some of your audio. You can go to effects down here at the bottom left, and then inside the effects tab, let me just hide this. You can add the effect, and if you have the premium version of BandLab, you could type in bass, and then here you have the bassy kind of equalizers and stuff like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.